Hi everybody, this is Kritik from grade 11 studying in Indian Public School Karur. You all know that COVID-19 has affected us and our economy and it has brought up many changes in our current economy. And now we are going to see about that. Generally speaking, many people have been affected from COVID-19 and this has changed the way we see the world. These are the top 10 industries where COVID-19 has affected our economy. 1. Hotel and restaurants. Hotel industry is one of the biggest sector in the world. Over 300 crore people eat at the restaurant or order food daily. The primary focus for governments and the businesses is the safety of their people. Whilst this focus will continue, the implications for economic growth and corporate profits have led to a sharp sell-off in equity markets across the globe. 2. Travel and tourism. Tourism boosts our economy and employs thousands of people, enriches our businesses, and pays for important public services. Travel of a person from highly infected country to any other part of the world could create many complications. Governments all over the world restricted inflow and outflow of people to safeguard their citizens and to break the chain. 3. Theatres and malls. Cinema and food and beverage are the two largest segments that attract the public. This industry is hit the hardest. Traffic also plays a negative role here. About 10 to 15% of traffic comes from cinema alone. This is insane. Malls and retail stores witnessed a huge dip in footfall with nearly 20 to 25% drop in revenue. Most companies have to tweak their layout, seating arrangements, and have to take precautionary measures in order to avoid the spread of the disease. 4. Fitness centers. The unprecedented times due to COVID-19 pandemic are giving bad times to the fitness industry. Over 20% of world population go to gym in order to be fit. The huge crisis of unemployment has developed in the fitness industry and many gyms have been bankrupt and are getting sold. 5. Schools and colleges. Most governments across the world have temporarily closed educational institutions in an attempt to contain the spread of COVID 19. School closures impact not only students, teachers, and parents but have far reaching economic and social consequences. School closures in response to pandemic has shed light on various social and economic issues including digital learning, food insecurity, and the internet. 6. Beauty parlors and hair salons. Post lockdown, salons have started maintaining a high level of hygiene as it is a high touch industry and the service charges has increased as 5 times more when compared to pre-pandemic. 7. Transportation. Transportation sector has been one of the primary victim of COVID-19. From rickshaw pullers to airlines, all have been affected economically by the pandemic. Due to this pandemic, transportation has been nearly stopped for many trades. Demand for this product is huge, whereas the supply is nil. 8. Photography and media. The coronavirus outbreak is causing widespread concern and economic hardship for consumers. Most media companies already have business continuity plans, but those may not fully address the fast moving and unknown variables of COVID-19 pandemic. Social distancing guidelines drive cancellation of live events nationwide at stadiums, arenas, theaters, resorts, and other venues, resulting in lost revenue from ticket sales, merchandising, advertising, and promotions. 9. Event management. This pandemic has created a great footfall to event management since there are very few public gatherings with limited number of people and many restrictions. 10. Sports and entertainment. The global outbreak of COVID-19 has resulted in closure of playgrounds and stadiums, and the game schedule of every sport is cancelled. They are also planned to happen in a closed stadium without the gathering of public, and the players are also set to maintain precautionary measures. And in the field of entertainment, places like theme parks, museum parks, and exhibition halls are temporarily closed in order to maintain social distancing. We have seen how COVID-19 pandemic has affected our economy. The government is doing their part and we have to do our part by staying at home. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity. Bye bye.